and pineal glands. Pituitary gland. At the base of the brain, located in a cavity of the sphenoid bone called sella turcica, we find pituitary gland. It is attached to the hypothalamus by a short, thin stalk called the infundibulum. So it is also called hypothalamic gland. The pituitary gland has three lobes: the anterior lobe, the intermediate lobe, and the posterior lobe. The anterior lobe is called the adenohypophysis, the intermediate lobe is called the pars intermedia, and the posterior lobe is called the neurohypophysis. The anterior lobe secretes several hormones into the bloodstream. They are the growth hormone GH, which affects the growth of body cells, the thyroid-stimulating hormone TSH travels to its target organ, the thyroid gland, to control the secretion of thyroid hormones. The adrenocorticotropin hormone ACTH goes to the adrenal cortex to control the secretion of adrenal cortex hormones. Prolactin stimulates the development of mammary glands for lactation. Lipotropin hormones stimulate the stored body fats or adipose tissues to liberate fatty acids. Gonadotropins are called the follicle-stimulating hormones. In females, the follicle-stimulating hormone or FSH acts on the ovary to stimulate the growth of ovarian follicles for ovulation. While in males, it acts on the testes to stimulate the process of spermatogenesis or formation of sperms. In female, the luteinizing hormone LH also induces conversion of ruptured ovarian follicles into corpus luteum. The luteinizing hormone LH, along with the FSH, acts on ovaries to promote secretion of estrogen. In males, the LH and FSH stimulate the testes to produce the male sex hormone, the androgens. Hormones of the intermediate lobe. The intermediate lobe or pars intermedia secretes the melanocyte-stimulating hormone or MSH. Hormones of posterior lobe. Oxytocin stimulate the uterine muscles to contract during the process of birth. And also stimulates the mammary glands to lactate. Antidiuretic hormone ADH acts on the kidneys to stimulate tubular reabsorption of water. The ADH also causes constriction of blood vessels to increase the blood pressure. Pineal gland. Seen On the dorsal side of the brain, between the anterior corpora quadrigemina, is a stalk-like structure called pineal gland. It secretes the hormone melatonin, which regulates the sexual maturity in humans.